Hello friends, how are you? Today our video topic is how to download chart as a PNG in Google Sheets. We can see here already open a sheet and here the chart data. Now you want to insert a chart. At first select the data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu and select the chart option. Here are many chart. You can click this drop down menu and select your choice chart. Now I am select this combo chart. Then close the window. Now you want to download the chart as a PNG format. Click the more option and click the download chart drop down menu and we can see here the PNG format. You can download other format like PDF, SVG, etc. Now I am click this PNG. Then we can see here the PNG chart. Then click the chart image and here we can see here the chart. You can check the detail of this chart. Now I am go to the details option. Here the details and the chart, file size, here the source. Now we can see we download chart as a PNG very easily. You can download another chart, change the chart, go to the edit menu and change the chart. Now I am change this chart as a state column. Then click this more icon and download as a PNG and again open the chart. It's very easy process. I hope you understand this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.